Hello guys, or hello everyone. You're welcome back to my channel. This is lesson 86 of the JavaScript algorithm and data structures course on freecodecamp.org. And the title of this lesson is Assessing Object Properties with Variables. Alright, so another use of bracket notation on object is to assess a property which is stored as a variable as the value of a variable. This can be very useful for iterating through an object's property or when accessing a lookup table. So here is an example. So we have an object here, dogs. We have their names and their values. So I think these are types of dogs, and then probably okay. Let me explain that. I don't know much about dogs. So we have a constant called my dog, and it's called it has a value of hunter. So we have another constant called my breed, and we're using the bracket notation to get the hunter property of our dog's object. So instead of writing hunter here in double quotes, we use my dog because my dog is has a value of hunter. All right, and then it still gives us the right result, which is Doberman. So it says the string Doberman will be displayed in the console. All right, so yeah, this works also. Okay. Um, all right, so another way you can use this concept is when the property's name is collected dynamically during the program execution. So we have an object here with prop name and the value of John. We have a function prop prefix which takes a string, and then it assigns prop. Yeah, assigns it declares a constant s with the value of prop, then it returns s plus string plus the str string parameter, and then here we are calling this function prop prefix with name. All right, so this should have this is interesting. I hope. All right. So this prop prefix now, if we pass in the value name, should return prop name. All right. See here, we are concatenating this s to what we are receiving, which is name. The s is prop. All we're receiving is name. So concatenating them together means it's returning a string prop name. So this some prop now has a value of prop name. So console.log, some objects, some prop, which is prop name, will automatically return. It's going to go head into our object and look for the property with the name prop name and then return its value. It's a little bit confusing, but if you look at it more, you understand it, all right? So this is just don't get confused, all right? So this is just a function that accepts a string, a variable, a parameter, str, and then it concatenates the value prop to whatever it is that is sent in here. So here we are we're calling this function with the value or with the argument name. So it's going to return to us prop name s plus str, which is prop name. And then this constant has a value of prop name, and we use it to retrieve the value that prop name has in our object called some object. So it's quite simple. Let's if you have questions, don't forget to drop a comment. I'll attend to you. And yeah, some prop would have a value of the string prop name, and the string John will be displayed in the console. All right, so the challenge. Okay. Note that we do not use quotes around the variable name when using it to assess the property. They are very important because we are using the value of the variable, not the name. All right. So notice that we didn't have double quotes here because we are calling a variable that has, a value, which is a string. So when the program is being compiled, this is going to be replaced with prop name, in double quotes or in quotes. I hope that made sense. So we are asked here to set the player number variable to 16. Okay, okay, change set to 16. All right, and then use a variable to look up the player's name and assign it to player. Okay, so we're asked, I wonder why they didn't just give us 16. Okay, let's change to 16. And the next thing is to use a variable to look up the player's name and assign it to player. So we're going to have um, player number. Okay, let me go ahead and test this out. Montana, yeah, 16 is not Montana. And let's try to put say 16 here directly and see what we get. Okay, still works. Let's put it in double quotes and it still works. So, but this is not what we're asked to do. We're asked to use the player number, alright? Let's follow instructions like good students. Okay, run the test and voila. You're an all-star. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next lesson. And don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends about this channel. And goodbye.